actually.
Yes, there actually is a woman chained up in a house. Officers from the Louisville Metro Police Department in Kentucky are dispatched to a neighborhood after a 911 caller reports a woman chained at the neck, yelling for help from a broken window of a house. As officers arrive at the location, they have no idea how fateful their actions would soon be, as the full story plays out on their body cams.
Put the door down? Yeah. I got a bunch of loot. Yeah, it's...
Damn.
Let's shut back.
My man kicked the clip out of his gun. How the fuck that happened?
Which window she kick out? Huh? Which window she kick out? Hang on one second. Which window she at? Where?
Junky as hell. That nigga nailed everything shut.
We do see a female chained up at the top window. We're trying to make entry, but there's something barricading the door. Yeah, this board is there too. He's boarded up everything. Everything's boarded up.
Damn. How the fuck can she breathe in that motherfucker?
Yeah, fire's on the way. The ladder was on the side. There should be a ladder on the side. There you go. You want to get up there? All right, we'll climb through the window. They nailed everything shut.
That nigga, yo, them motherfuckers an idiot. You leave a ladder right outside your damn house.
You want to go first?
You gotta be a Negro or a white guy or something.
Is anybody else in there?
Fuck this leaves damn ladder outside.
He did what?
Damn. Oh, she bust the window out.
Hey,
why she ain't just come out the house?
With his friend, that might be who it is.
He's got long hair.
Oh, is he Hispanic? That's fucked up. Oh, shit. Damn. She's chained from her neck. What kind of evil, demonic, crazy, lunatic ass person?
Is it just you in here? No female? Alright, we got fire coming, so give us a second, okay?
So she got close enough to bust the window. Damn, I was just trying to figure out why the hell she ain't just come out the damn house.
He's down the street.
He's got long hair. He's kind of big.
Huh?
He's big? Oh my god. One of them fat, sloppy me-hoes that possessive ass motherfucker. Damn, this house nasty, boy. Oh, yo, got a hatchet right there. Yo, was that chain long enough to get to the door? She couldn't get to the door to get that hatchet? There wasn't nothing in that. Bruh, I swear there's something over there that she could have used to do any of that, bruh. And got the fuck out of there. God damn. I don't know if she's strong enough to do that. God damn, what the fuck you use an infinite bolt? That motherfucker long as shit or something? And leave it to them me-hoes, bro. They make that shit work. I ain't gonna lie. Damn.
Does he have any firearms?
It's sparking. He had no firearms, man. I'd have hit that man over the head with something and got the fuck out of there. Yeah, man, it's something in that room she could have did to get out of there. But she did the right thing calling help. At least she's getting some type of help. Wow, that took forever. Dang, she beat up in the face?
Can you get out?
Wow. A key to get out?
213, we got her in chain.
How the hell he get in and out the house if you need the key to get out?
Oh, he screwed it in.
He screwed the front door in? Damn, that's a fucking board on the window. Yo, he locked and oh, what the fuck? He on some Saw type of shit. He hiding his kids and hiding his wife for real.
It looks like they got the front door and all the doors down there.
Yo got 2 refrigerators. He don't want them to. He don't want her to come out ever.
Don't say sorry for nothing.
You need fire to force this
Right?
door.
Why are you
We're
apologizing?
clear, but you can go ahead and force it.
You bust that door.
We sorry for not getting to you fast enough. That's what they should be saying. We're the neighbors. They ain't hear no
He
crazy.
called me on the phone. He's like, I can see this lady. She's chained up. I was like, I'll be right there.
Wow, that shit is really up in there.
Watch that, man. Okay.
Oh yeah, he made it so nobody can come in that
The only thing locked
motherfucker.
still
They
is the
really
basement door right here. She said nobody else is in here.
And the last door right there, it keeps locked.
Who did this?
Yo, this is completely
You hurt? You need
insane.
EMS or anything?
Oh, I just
He
went
ain't
out
kidnapped her.
Okay. You want to sit out here on the porch?
Man, he needs to go to jail.
Like a little
ASAP.
blockade, so everybody's not getting videos of her. He's blocking
Like,
somebody here. I don't want everybody to see her.
How long?
who in their
how long you
right
had that
mind
around
will
your
do
neck?
this to a person? I don't care how much you don't like them. I wouldn't chain nobody up like no dog.
Where's she at?
Put a lock around her neck.
Okay.
And that's why he's always fighting with me. 'Cause they
They
want
got
to
a
come over
kid
this
and her
house.
aunt got custody
And you're
of her.
not going nowhere this time, Jason. You're gonna do it nicely, or we're gonna do it the hard way. When he left, I tried getting it off the floor. I got close enough to the window. I broke the window and yelled at the neighbors.
Just hold really still real fast. You want to go right there?
What? So he mad at her because they have a kid together and damn, did he cut her
He
hair?
don't have a car. He was with his friends, but I don't know. They picked him up.
Yo,
in the
he
back.
completely shamed her.
What's his
What?
name?
Moses.
Why would you do such a thing?
Nate. He's a stocky guy. He's got 2 tattoos of his daughter and son's name on his chest.
Her
and
hands
a
are
scorpion
swollen.
right here on his arm. He's got hair like
There only could be 2 reasons why her hands swollen, but we not gonna speak upon that. That's
Y'all have kids together?
irrelevant to what's going on
You
right
said you don't
now.
need EMS?
No, I don't need it.
What the
No, you're not sorry for nothing.
fuck? Man, they need to go get this
Y'all cleared the
man.
house. Good.
They said they heard he was down the street. Motherfucker, they ain't gonna send patrol him. Send the army and grab that motherfucker.
No, but
Because there's like some death smelling over
I
here.
know. I told him to take care of him, and there's already 3 missing. I don't know if he killed him or what.
What? Well, hold up. What's missing? The cats?
I got straight for you.
My man had killed the pets too. Right, y'all ain't even searched the house to see if any other people was in there. Man, might got a
wonder why all
secret
these are nailed
stash
shut.
safe somewhere with
Yeah, a lot of these doors are
body
shut.
parts in it.
What the-
Check the
Do you have a
freezers,
gun or
bro.
anything? Any kind of
He had
weapons?
a knife.
A knife?
He always has either an axe or a machete. He cut my hair with a machete.
When did you do that?
The 3 nights ago, that's
He's
why I
El
left him in
Chapo.
the first place. It was all the way down here.
Damn.
Should I take a picture? Yeah, on the floor or whatever. It shows what she.
Chained up right here. Yeah.
That's the chain right there. Or that's where it was connected to.
Did she rip herself off of it, or did fire come in?
No, we had to chit it with this axe.
Dang. I guess that's the window she broke out. Yeah.
Good for her. It makes you wonder, like downstairs though. Hopefully no one else is in here. Did you want a water? Yeah, I'll be right back, okay? So the only rooms we couldn't clear is he has a room upstairs, a door nailed shut. He's got a basement door nailed shut, and he's got a back room door nailed shut also.
Why he had all these rooms nailed shut?
No tattoos
There you
on his
go.
face, but he's got one. It's a Scorpio right here.
Yeah, she's doing okay. We can go ahead and leave everything like it is. It's a crime scene right now. So
What do you mean it's a crime scene?
But do you live here?
No, I live at the corner.
I mean,
No, she's
obviously.
been staying with me. She stayed with me last night.
She's fine. Do you know what the mail looks like?
Mexican,
Long hair.
long hair.
Is it clean cut or is it just long?
I really don't look at him too hard
you're good.
because I think he's ugly.
Oh, okay, you're fine, you're
Be careful because he's got a brand new machete.
Come
He
on,
always
man.
carries a machete, but I don't know if it's here.
Did he hit you or anything? Is he?
He smacked me in my face.
And you've been here for
Crazy.
you said
3 years.
yeah, but you said you left.
Yeah, I left a couple days ago when he cut my hair off.
When did you come back? When
I come back because I seen him
No,
riding
when?
today.
Today?
I
You came back today?
Yeah, I seen him riding his bike and he stopped me. He was like, "Will you please just come clean up the room and I'll pay you?" I was like, "Okay, but I don't want to fight."
Okay.
He was like, "I promise I'm not gonna hurt you." I said, "Okay." As soon as I came in, he smacked me. He locked the door with the key, and I knew. As soon as he locked the door with the key, then he wouldn't let me go.
Okay.
Window was here.
This second story window right here.
Okay, so it was open and she was just...
Yeah, she was able to get close enough to the window and push the glass out, and she was hollering for help. And this lady, I think, that's getting out of this Kia.
Praise the Lord,
basically the
man.
little girl heard her hollering.
Okay.
She's like, "Granny, that lady's
That's
yelling for
cool.
help. She got a chain around her neck." She's actually the one that called 911.
I guess they live there.
Yeah, they live right there. But I got her name and
And
phone
the
number.
old lady said she
After
was
2
just
days
with
of
her.
round-the-clock covert surveillance, detectives radio to patrol officers that the suspect has returned to the house. That's when patrol officers pull up to the location and find a red truck with 2 men inside, with one of them matching the
Why didn't
description
they
of the
just go get
suspect.
him?
What's your location?
Hold on. Can you get my location? Yeah.
That ain't him. I'm about to say that nigga black.
Let me talk to you, man. Grab the other guy, too.
Hey, put your hands on top of
That
your head.
little ass
Put your
mijo.
hands on top of your head, boss. Alright, stand by.
My man look like he Chinese or something.
Right now.
Oh, damn mijo.
You're just being detained, alright?
Little skimpy ass beard. You see that shit?
Any weapons on you, boss?
Look like a Wong or
That's fine, man. Just hang out, alright? Okay.
Kung Lao.
Was it your doctor today, sir?
Is it me that you talked to?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say no, because I don't care.
He gave me his card and I go look for him and talk to him and tell him to turn himself
fuck?
in. And he called him and talked to him. And he's
That's his man? What, they working?
To turn himself in. So what is all this harassment for?
It's not harassment. It's called doing our job. You're being detained right now, and as soon as this is all figured out, if you're not in any kind
You
of...
with a kidnapper, my brother.
You're not being
Do you not know Rastaman?
I don't like it.
Sit down under Alright, who was that?
Jonah.
Who's Jonah?
The girl that was held hostage.
Okay. Hey, Jonah, how are you? This is Austin Clemens.
You're not on speaker, baby, so you gotta hold up.
Jonah, can you describe the suspect for me real quick? Alright, is he Hispanic?
Yeah, that's him.
That's the
That's
suspect?
him. That's him. I know him. I've
Alright,
seen him.
we'll give you a call here shortly, Jonah. Alright, boss.
Old lady said, that him? Yeah, that's right. Tell them motherfuckers.
Spell that.
Fuck that. Old lady, you better snitch. You old as shit. Better tell them motherfuckers he ain't kidnapped that lady.
Just you and your girlfriend that live there? Is your girlfriend in there?
Cause he need to go to jail. Do 150,000 years. Shit. Who the hell he think he is to
Oh, you're saying that what she's telling the police...
dictate somebody's life like that? What?
Hey, you go with this dude?
Free to go. Alright, you have to train me up on that, brother.
Back to the academy for this guy.
Upside down. We just started heading over here to see if we can find him.
That's the window that she broke out. I don't think it was just her neck. I think he had her like a chain around her neck and a chain down the ground, like a fighting dog almost.
The suspect was identified
That's
as
crazy.
36-year-old
Yeah,
Moises
he had a
May.
chain
After
to the
obtaining a
ground.
search warrant, officers were able to
36?
fully clear the house and confirm there were no other human victims inside. However, while clearing the house, police noticed that the entire house was
My man
essentially
looked
a makeshift
crazy, yo.
confinement area. There was a
He looked like he
significant amount of
sniffed
work that was
hella
done to the entire house,
snowflakes.
including barricaded doors that were
His
screwed in,
nostrils.
boarded up and bolted windows, and a front door that used a double-cylinder deadbolt, meaning it required a key from both sides, and it was later confirmed that Moises had the one and only key. The chain used on the victim was also attached to the floor with heavy heavy-duty hardware, rather than just wrapped around something. These details suggest that there was some planning involved to the incident, which is important in determining premeditation.
Right.
After his arrest, Moises told police that the victim, Jonah, actually chained herself up because she couldn't stop cheating on him. Jonah told police that Moises threatened to kill her if she left him.
She chained herself up because
he threatened and
she
assaulted her to
wanted
keep control of her.
ding-a-ling,
An
and then
interview
she
right
couldn't
after Jonah
control
was
it, so
rescued
she's
shows
like,
her
I'ma
immediate
chain
response to the
myself up.
situation.
He made me
What?
strip naked.
Look at her.
Put the chain around my neck. And then he called his friend. He said, I gotta go take this equipment back to Lowe's. When I come back, I'm gonna kill you.
You chained that up?
And you know somebody and you don't. I just wanted to see him
Man,
get in
you should have
jail.
just let that go.
I want justice. I want my daughter to be okay.
Moises was initially charged with felony kidnapping, felony intimidating a participant in the legal process,
He probably was trying to traffic
first-degree
her.
wanton endangerment, assault, terroristic threatening, and harassment
That-
with physical
that's-
contact. He would later
that's
have extremely
crazy.
serious charges added, however, as Jonah went on to tell investigators that Moises forced and coerced her to engage in commercial sex acts with other men. She said he arranged 5 of these
See?
encounters in exchange for money.
See?
This new information
See, I
combined with the
said
high
it. I
likelihood
said
of
he was
premeditation due to the house being
trafficking
rigged
her.
up as a makeshift confinement area led to prosecutors additionally charging Moises with 5 counts of felony human trafficking. This case eventually went to a jury trial in Jefferson County, Kentucky, which prosecutors said was the county's first ever
That's
human
what I
trafficking
said,
case to
her?
go to a jury trial. Theoretically, the
trapping
maximum
her
sentence Moises could be given
in
based
the
on all of his
house?
charges is 75 years in prison. However,
She
after
looked like she
deliberation,
a
the jury found
smoker.
Moises guilty on all charges and recommended the judge sentence him to 35 years in prison for his actions. The judge later sentenced
Man,
Moises to 30
hell
years
no.
in prison
I
with the
should-
eligibility for parole
Get that
after serving
nigga
20%
60.
of his sentence, which is 6 years. In past years, Kentucky law used to require a person convicted of a Class B felony to serve at least 85% of their imposed sentence before being eligible for parole, meaning Moises' kidnapping charge, which is a Class B felony,
he
would
need to do the
normally enact this
whole
85%
100%.
rule. However, this statute was recently revised in 2024. Now, a Class B felony must involve the death or serious physical injury to the victim. Because Jonah was found alive with no serious physical injury, it allowed Moises to be eligible for parole after serving just 20% of his imposed sentence. Moises will be 44 years old when he is eligible for parole in 2031.
It needs to be longer than that, man. Hey, y'all, man. That was a crazy ass video, man. Thanks for watching, Big Nigo. Next time.